Nagiteja. I am studying 8th class.
Antonyms: spotted,
Unspotted,
junk,
valuable,
early,
late,
want,
dislike,
they,
we,
far,
near,
expensive,
cheap,
bad,
good,
several,
few,
clumsily,
adroit,
mend,
break,
all,
in,
none, down,
up,
going,
coming,
little, little,
big,
challenge,
hands up,
accept, restore,
abolish,
risk,
God,
began,
finish,
on,
under,
remove,
add,
completely,
incompletely,
pull,
push,
lift,
drop,
bought,
sold,
back,
in front of,
everywhere,
nowhere,
damage,
repair,
clearly,
unclearly,
vaguely, take,
give,
stuck,
lose,
last,
first,
fast,
slow,
try,
with,
ease,
different,
difficulty, in,
up,
out, gently,
rude,
end,
start,
use,
usage,
brute,
benign,
force,
weaknessly,
struck,
astonish,
extinguish, sharply, with,
grad.
good.